is what you'll need for some lovely orange biscuits. An orange, some mixed peel, vanilla extract, butter, brown sugar, self-raising flour and an egg. First thing we're going to do, get your butter melted into a bowl and then in with your sugar and get them mixed together till they're nice and creamy. With your butter and sugar mixed, it's time to get the orange zest off your orange. When you've got the zest off, it's time to get the juice out. Into your butter and sugar mix with your orange juice and your orange zest. Into there with your vanilla extract. And then into there with an egg and get those all mixed together. With those mixed, time to go in with your candied orange peel. And give those a quick zap round. So into the wet mixture, we're now going with the dry mixture. Just put a touch of salt in there and then in with the flour, but you're going to sift the flour to get some air into it. And then put your electric whisker away because you're going to fold that in until it all comes together. When you've got all those mixed together, time to line a baking tray with some grease-proof, oven-proof paper, and then get yourself a golf ball size dough mixture onto there. Do that with the rest, and then you're going to put them in the fridge for 15 minutes just to firm up a bit. When they've firmed up a bit in the fridge, time to just flatten them out a bit. And what I'm going to do is put them onto 2 trays because they do expand, so you don't want them melding into each other. So onto 2 trays, into the oven at 170, preheat the oven if you can, for around 10 to 12 minutes so that they've still got a bit of chewiness in them. You don't. We all like crispy biscuits, but really you want them to be a bit chewy as well. When they've got a nice golden brown in the oven, time to get them out, and you're going to leave them to cool down now because they're still quite doughy and pliable. So leave them to cool down completely and then get yourself a cup of tea and get them eating.